Hey, what is up guys? This time is the Samsung Galaxy S11 big update. First of all, we talked the leaks of the ICE universe who said on Twitter the other day that the appearance and configuration of the next generation Galaxy S phone have been finalized. ICE did not offer up any detail about the Galaxy S11 design, considering the Samsung has nearly reached perfection when it's come to smartphone design, as the Galaxy S10 and the Note 10 both feature all-screen whole point design. It is interesting to see what the Samsung does next in terms of appearance. And also, the Max Webinar Twitter leakers tweet about 3 different models. He says, I also found 3 S11 model number being supported by the specific US carrier. These 3 will likely all be 5G model and have multi-CSC, meaning that the radio hardware will not to be limited to a specific carrier. With the 2019 flagship out of the way, it's time to look forward the 2020 flagship. One of the first rumors surrounding the Galaxy S11, although most of already expected. For start, the S11 family is expected to come with the Snapdragon 865 and Exynos 9830 depending on the market. But that hardly of anyone's surprise. Perhaps the usual market arrangements will be at hand. Snapdragon 865 for China and the US and Exynos 9830 for the rest of the world. Lines of a core that were discovered in Samsung One UI 2.0 beta also suggest that the phone will have a face unlock feature, which is not a new thing again, but confirm we are not getting an elevating selfie camera, and Samsung is likely sticking with a punch hole design. A few days ago, it was revealed the Samsung had finalized most of the design and hardware element for the upcoming Galaxy S11 phone, and we step it into Prime League season will their new information on the Galaxy S11. Samsung recently released the One UI 2.0 beta to the Galaxy S10 phones, that the same software that will be seen on the upcoming Galaxy S11. So there was always going to be references to the upcoming flagship in the code. There are lines of the code that make specific mention of the Exynos 9830 SDM 8250. The Galaxy S10 and Note 10 were powered by the Exynos 9820 and Exynos 9825 respectively, and the next SoC in the series is expected to be the Exynos 9830. There were reported that the newly released Exynos 990 could be Samsung next generation flagship SoC, but that looking increasingly unlikely. The Snapdragon 855 had the internal design of SDM 8150, so the SDM 8250 listed here can be assumed to be upcoming Snapdragon 865. Hardware-wise, the code reveal LPDDR5 memory, UFS 3.0 storage and 5G support. It's unknown, however, whatever there will be 4G version or all will have 5G support. Samsung will have to find ways to differentiate the Galaxy S11 design from the Note 10 and S10. Recent history has shown that the Samsung can't copy Apple design strategy. The Galaxy S9 may have been better than its predecessor, but the design resemblance seemingly took a toll on sales. Also, we're talking about the Samsung Galaxy S11 display. The display is 20:9 screen aspect ratio. Tested the HTML5 benchmark, used the SMG416U model name, which is placeholder name Samsung used when it testing its unreleased Galaxy S model. It's unsurprisingly runs Android 10, but more interestingly, it packs a 20:9 screen aspect ratio as evidenced by the mock 384 by 854 pixel resolution listed in benchmark. The Galaxy S11 is not expected until next February at the very least, so stay tuned for more update about this flagship. Hope you like this video. If you like it, thumbs up and subscribe for more teach related video. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.